In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Calendly with your Wix website. By following these steps, you will successfully add a Calendly scheduling link to your Wix site, allowing visitors to book appointments easily. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to calendly.com. Once the page loads, ensure you are signed in to your Calendly account. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Next, locate the scheduling option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to view your scheduling settings. This section displays all your event types and scheduling options. After that, find the section labeled Event Types. Here you will see a list of your available event types. Look for the option that says Copy Link next to the event type you want to share. Clicking this will copy the link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste later. Now move to a new tab in your web browser and go to wix.com. Once the Wix homepage appears, sign into your Wix account if prompted. Make sure you are accessing the correct site you wish to edit. Once logged in, locate the Design Site button on your dashboard and click on it. This will direct you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website. Next, find the Edit button and click on it. This action will open the Wix editor interface, allowing you to modify your site in real time. After the editor is open, look for the Add option on the left sidebar. Click on it to reveal additional features you can add to your site. Then click on Embed from the list of options that appear. This will give you the ability to add custom code or elements to your site. Now select Embed Code from the options shown. This allows you to insert HTML code into your Wix site, which is necessary for embedding your Calendly link. Next, double-click on the HTML element that you just added to your site. This will open a settings window for the HTML element. In the HTML settings window, click on the link option. This is where you will paste the link you copied from Calendly earlier. Now, paste the Calendly link into the provided field and click the Apply button. This saves your changes and links the button to your Calendly scheduling page. After applying the link, adjust the size of the embedded element as needed. Ensure that it fits well within your site layout and is easily accessible for visitors. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.